for the money, you know what it is. 2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3 just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town.
My new set of tires are Nankang NS-R2s. The wheels are from CIP1, they're just red steelies. Front tires are 165/50 R15s, the rear tires are 205/50 ZR15s. The front wheels are 15 by 4.5 inches and the rear wheels are 15 by 5.5 inches. The rear tires were relatively easy to find, the front's not at all. I was able to find the rear tires in Canada. The fronts, I had to get them from the UK off of eBay. Do you guys know of any place in North America where you can purchase these front tires? If you do, let me know in the comments. What size tires do you guys run on your bugs? Let me know in the comments.